Another solar storm hit Earth on June 27, 2025, causing minor radio and GPS, or global positioning system, disruptions. Solar maximum peaks in July, raising risks of severe G3 to G5 storms threatening power grids and health.
Analysis: a supersolar storm may disrupt global tech in July 2025 per U.S. space agency NASA, coinciding with Japanese clairvoyant Ryo Tatsuki's prophecy of a global catastrophe. Ms. Tatsuki is credited with accurately predicting events like the 1995 Kobe earthquake, Princess Diana's death, and the 2020 pandemic, giving weight and urgency to her latest prediction. We must prepare not only by stockpiling emergency supplies, but by cultivating mindfulness, moral discipline, and compassion. After 2025, those aligned with love and truth may thrive in a new cycle, while others risk being left behind in a lower vibrational state. Regardless of what happens, humanity must take this opportunity to awaken and reconnect with its inner light.
Warning: solar storm may affect health in July 2025. Scientists say a massive solar storm might affect the whole world in July 2025. It could cause problems with electricity, health, and even money systems. Older people and pregnant women may be more affected. Older adults most at risk include: 1. People with heart or blood pressure problems. 2. People who use electronic medical devices like pacemakers. 3. People who often feel anxious or have trouble sleeping. 4. People who live alone. 5. People who need to take medicine at exact times. Possible early signs of trouble: 1. Fast heartbeat or feeling out of breath for no reason. 2. Headaches or dizziness in the morning. 3. Sudden anxiety or trouble falling asleep. Most important: stay calm. Worry and stress can make health worse. Try peaceful activities like prayer, quiet reading, or meditation before bed to relax your mind and body so that you are ready to face whatever happens with calmness and strength. How to stay safe in a solar storm. Stay updated on solar weather forecasts by checking trusted sources like NASA, NOAA, or Vietnam's Space Center. Avoid using phones or electronics too much during strong solar storms. Try to sleep before 2 to 5 a.m. when storm effects are strongest. Do deep breathing for 3 minutes each day to stay calm. Reduce stress through meditation, yoga, reading, or other relaxing activities. Drink plenty of water. Eat healthy foods with antioxidants like fresh fruits rich in vitamins C and E. Turn off phones or devices near your bed at night. Be ready for power outages. Keep flashlights, batteries, and backup power like power banks ready. Have a hand crank or battery-powered radio to get news updates if phones or the internet stop working. Use surge protectors to protect electronics. Save important documents or data in safe places, such as by printing them out using external hard drives or online cloud storage. Prepare emergency bags for yourself and your loved ones, each including flashlights and extra batteries, hand crank or battery-powered radios, bottled water, non-perishable food like canned goods, important medicines, some cash. ATMs may not work. Contact numbers of loved ones. If you live alone, prepare an emergency bag for yourself. Put a sign on your door to let neighbors know if you need help. For families and caregivers, use solar storm alert apps like Space Weather Live or NOAA Space Weather. Set a simple emergency signal like flashing your phone light 3 times to alert other family members if someone is in trouble.
Vegan, because our world is in an urgent situation.